Hello and welcome to the channel at Languedoc Property Finders. Today we are in a lovely 4-bedroom villa in the village of Pouzolles. Pouzolles is one of the satellite villages around the historic town of Pézenas. The house is newly constructed and is very open plan, as you can see. I have started in the kitchen because I wanted to show you what an inviting house it is. There are numerous benefits to this house. I think having a kitchen that is open plan, that looks out onto the dining room and the sitting room, allows you to interact with your guests whilst you are cooking or preparing food, making drinks, etc. There are numerous areas where you can sit outside, but one of the best features of this house is that it is on the edge of the vineyards. I want to show you what the view is like from the kitchen sink. It is stunning. The vineyards are non-constructible land, which means that you would never get anybody building a house on the other side of the property line. So that is the view that will stay with you. So panning around, as I said, it is an open kitchen, an induction hob. That door just there to the left leads to the laundry room. I'll just pop my head around there to have a quick look. It's a very practical layout. So room for a washing machine and the water heater. Just on the other side of the kitchen is one of the doors going out to a terrace, so it's much easier to be able to serve food here. It's right by the kitchen and it's covered, so it helps in the deep heat of the summer. This is the living room. You have 3 sliding doors, so there's plenty of light coming into this house. There's a lovely fireplace there as well, wood fireplace. And that actually heats the entire house during the winter, as there are channels that flow through the house from the fireplace into all of the rooms, the bedrooms of the house. Large open space where the dining table is. I'm going to take you through to the other side of the house. You'll notice that there are elegant arches throughout the house, very pretty. Front door is there to the left. Here you have one of the smaller bedrooms. So the sellers are using it as a bit of a utility room, a games room, but that can be used as an office or a smaller bedroom. Just to the left here is the WC. And on the right hand side is one more bedroom. Now there are 2 bedrooms on this side of the house that have the doors that go out into the garden. There's double glazing throughout, and it's quite nice, I think, to be able to open those doors and be straight out into the garden. The bathroom is actually quite large. If you were of a mind, you could split this up in order to make 2 bathrooms, one family bathroom and maybe an ensuite to one of the bedrooms. You've got a bath. You've also got a really large walk-in shower. And a double vanity. So I'm going to go back out into the corridor. There are 2 more bedrooms, one more on the right. Again, this also has double doors, double glazed doors that go out into the garden. All the bedrooms are good sized bedrooms. Lots of light on this side of the house as well. And as I step out of this bedroom into the hallway, the last bedroom, oops, is here. I would probably term this as the main bedroom. And you've got the option of making the bathroom an ensuite bathroom. If you remember, the large bathroom is quite large. So that's an option. The one thing I love about this room is the view. It is just so stunning from this room. Gorgeous. So as I pan around, all the rooms have got fitted cupboards. This room has actually got 2 sets of fitted cupboards. I'm going to go out through the corridor, back into the living quarters, the living room, the dining area, and the kitchen. And I'm going to take you outside. Firstly, to this little area just outside the kitchen. So there is land that wraps around the entire house. And we're right on the edge of Pouzolles, so it's actually very, very quiet here. The house is set on a private road as well, which again is right by the vineyards. So it's very quiet here. I'm going to do a separate video of the garden and the garage because I think it warrants a bit more time. But I can't think of anything nicer than sitting here in the sun, looking at that beautiful view. Thank you so much for watching. If you are interested in viewing this house, please click the link at the bottom left of this video and I'd be happy to arrange a viewing. Thank you.